Welcome back to Ultra Auto Motorhome. Today we're taking a look at one of the most surprising luxury motorhome concepts the industry has ever seen. The 2027 Kia Motorhome is redefining what people expect from modern RV travel by combining futuristic technology, premium comfort, and innovative design into one incredible package. Inspired by the bold design language and advanced engineering of Kia, this luxury motorhome is designed to compete with some of the most expensive and exclusive RVs in the world. From the moment you see the 2027 Kia Motorhome, it immediately stands out with its futuristic appearance. The front fascia features an illuminated digital grille design paired with ultra-slim LED headlights that stretch across the width of the vehicle. The aggressive yet elegant styling gives the motorhome a modern identity that feels years ahead of traditional RVs. The body design is sleek and aerodynamic, with smooth flowing lines that improve efficiency while creating a sophisticated silhouette. Large panoramic smart glass windows wrap around the cabin, offering incredible views during travel while instantly adjusting opacity for privacy. Flush-mounted doors, hidden storage compartments, and integrated LED lighting give the exterior a seamless and premium appearance. One of the most impressive exterior features is the expandable side lounge system. When parked, sections of the body extend outward to dramatically increase interior space, transforming the motorhome into a luxury suite on wheels. A retractable rooftop lounge area adds another level of exclusivity, allowing passengers to relax under the stars or enjoy scenic views from above. The lower body includes hidden storage systems for luggage, outdoor furniture, and travel equipment, while integrated solar panels on the roof help support off-grid adventures. At the rear, a futuristic full-width LED lighting system and active aerodynamic elements complete the dramatic design. Step inside the 2027 Kia Motorhome, and the interior immediately feels like entering a modern luxury apartment. Kia has focused heavily on combining comfort with advanced technology, creating a cabin that feels both elegant and highly functional. Premium leather upholstery, sustainable wood trim, soft touch surfaces, and brushed aluminum accents give the space a sophisticated atmosphere. The main lounge area is spacious and designed for relaxation and entertainment. Plush reclining seats with heating, cooling, and massage functions surround a massive retractable OLED display paired with a premium surround sound system. The modular seating arrangement can easily transform into dining or sleeping configurations, depending on passenger needs. Ambient lighting flows throughout the interior and automatically adjusts according to time of day and passenger preferences. Combined with the panoramic glass roof, the cabin feels bright, open, and luxurious throughout every journey. Moving toward the center of the motorhome, the kitchen area showcases futuristic design and smart functionality. It includes a hidden induction cooktop, smart refrigerator, convection microwave oven, built-in coffee system, and intelligent storage compartments. The countertops are made from premium stone materials that provide durability while maintaining a high-end appearance. Toward the rear, the master bedroom creates the feeling of a luxury hotel suite. A floating king-size bed with a premium memory foam mattress sits beneath panoramic smart glass windows that provide incredible views during the day and complete privacy at night. Integrated climate controls, wireless charging stations, and ambient lighting systems ensure maximum comfort during long trips. The bathroom area continues the luxury experience with a spacious rain shower, heated flooring, illuminated mirrors, and premium fixtures throughout. Advanced water filtration and recycling systems help improve efficiency during extended travel without compromising comfort. Performance is another area where the 2027 Kia Motorhome aims to impress. Instead of relying solely on traditional combustion engines, this futuristic RV is expected to use an advanced all-electric or hybrid electric powertrain inspired by Kia's latest EV technology. Instant electric torque provides smooth and effortless acceleration despite the vehicle's size, while near-silent operation creates a calm and relaxing driving experience. The intelligent all-wheel drive system improves traction and stability in different weather conditions, making the motorhome suitable for long-distance touring and adventurous road trips alike. Adaptive air suspension continuously adjusts to road conditions, ensuring exceptional ride comfort even on rough surfaces. Driver assistance systems are highly advanced and designed to reduce stress during long journeys. Features include semi-autonomous highway driving, adaptive cruise control, lane centering assistance, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and a complete 360-degree camera system. Inside the cockpit, a panoramic curved digital dashboard displays navigation, energy usage, vehicle diagnostics, and entertainment controls through a clean and futuristic interface. Voice-controlled AI systems allow passengers to manage climate settings, lighting, seating positions, and multimedia functions effortlessly. Connectivity also plays a huge role in the overall experience. High-speed onboard Wi-Fi, wireless smartphone integration, and smart home compatibility allow travelers to remain connected wherever they go. Remote control systems even allow owners to manage certain motorhome functions directly from a smartphone app. Now let's talk about pricing. The 2027 Kia Motorhome is positioned in the ultra-premium RV category. Industry estimates suggest a starting price around $500,000, while fully customized versions with advanced luxury packages and exclusive interior materials could exceed $1 million. The 2027 Kia Motorhome represents a bold new direction for luxury RV travel. It combines futuristic styling, intelligent technology, sustainable engineering, and premium comfort into a vehicle designed for travelers who want more than just transportation. For people who dream of exploring the world while enjoying the comfort of a luxury penthouse on wheels, this incredible motorhome proves that the future of RV travel is becoming smarter, more luxurious, and more exciting than ever before. Thanks for watching Ultra Auto Motorhome, and I'll see you on the next journey.